Hello everyone, today let's look at how to say certain terms and simple expressions in Tibetan related to the weather. How do you say, first of all, at your place?
Kikitala.
At your place.
Kikitala.
If you want to say, at your place, in an informal, familiar way, you can say,
Kikitala.
it has changed. To say, it has changed, you can say,
교류송.
it has changed.
교류송.
A rain shower.
윤통기차로와.
A rain shower.
윤통기차로와.
A thunderstorm.
닥쳐라.
A thunderstorm.
닥쳐라.
To take shelter.
열와.
To take shelter.
열와.
A cloud.
딘바.
A cloud.
딘바.
There is also.
가래양둑.
There is also.
가래양둑.
The sun is blazing.
니마. 짬뽕값기둑.
The sun is blazing.
니마 짬뽕값기둑.
To oscillate.
욤욤제밥.
To oscillate.
욤욤제밥.
The temperature.
자체.
The temperature.
자체.
Often.
양양.
Often.
양양.
Suddenly.
흡대칼라.
Suddenly.
흡대칼라.
It's unexpected.
삼율레대기.
It's unexpected.
삼율레대기.
Occasionally.
짬짬라.
Occasionally.
짬짬라.
Currently.
대샵.
Or.
텐상.
Currently.
대샵.
Or.
텐상.
Cool.
창sel슬.
Cool.
창sel슬.
To breathe.
옥동렌즈.
To breathe.
옥동렌즈.
And finally, I will encourage you to learn all of this well. And I tell you.
젤라젤용.